To install the Play Store on the computer, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right, and navigate to the Google Play website. Once there, click the menu again, go to More Tools, and select Create Shortcut. Ensure you enable the option to open it as a new window, then click Create. This will add a Play Store shortcut to your desktop for easy access. To download apps, search for the app you need on the Play Store, e.g., a calculator, right-click the app title, and copy the link address. Paste this link into AppKeeper's search bar, accessible via a quick browser search, and download the ACK file using the green button. Next, install SmartGaga lightweight Android emulator to run your ACK files. Search for it online, download the software, approximately 286 MB, and install it by double-clicking the setup file in your Downloads folder. Once installed, open SmartGaga, navigate to the app drawer, and select the option to load an ACK file. Upload the previously downloaded app, click Open, and the app will install and run seamlessly within the emulator. Enjoy your new app, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.